Alright, I'm back. I got a phone call and it interrupted the stream. So here we go. We have these blue guys trying to approach the fort. They have less than 5 minutes remaining to cap the flag inside the fort and get it over to the cone and replace Blue's flag. Blue has already completed the circuit with their flag and made their final cap. There we go with 4 minutes. Let's see if we can find. I got interrupted by a phone call during the last stream. I apologize, ladies and gentlemen, but it happened. It seems to me that right now, from surveying, red team has done gotten pushed back into their spawn.
Hit!
Players hit!
You got one right here, it's not calling us hits.
They got called us hits, but like, it's not that.
Watch your language. Give him a 5-second count. You need a 5 count? Give him a 5-second count. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Copy that. So if you just heard over the radio, red team has finally capped theirs and completed their circuit. Now they have to bring it to the center and replace the blue flag. So I'm gonna go over here. All right. Reagan, get on the north field and watch these north field blue spawn. I'm gonna take the center. Yeah, north field on the blue spawn side. We're getting complaints he's not calling his hits. I don't know. There's a group of 3 of them over there. Just go watch them. Maybe shoot them with the cheater pistol.
I got one. I ain't got any mag.
Yeah. Huh?
I don't have a mag.
Oh, you dropped. That's the mag you dropped?
It's not the mag I dropped. The mag I'm looking for.
Oh. Good. You good. You good. With 2 minutes remaining, blue. Apparently we had a little dispute up there, but everything's good to go now. There's blue teams swarming all over this fort. Red team has gotten out with their flag. They have 1 minute to get over there. Huh? There's your game. Players hit! Blue team is sneaking up to put theirs back in. Boom. Players hit, let him up! As you saw, red team completed the circuit and almost got the cap with about 30 seconds left. There's probably about 30.
I'm going to let you take over this because they said they were spawn trapping, so I'm going to go.
Yeah, back them up. Back them up off the spawn. We don't allow spawn camping here. Players hit, but he was out. It was out. Nice move. Players hit. In. Oh, yeah, red at the last second, baby. Oh, no way. No way. That was a fight, gentlemen. That was a heck of a game.